What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, guys, we're going to review the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, let me give you a couple of reasons to do so. We're giving away 5 Vans sneakers. The winners will be drawn this Sunday. 4 of those Vans sneakers are actually collaboration sneakers, so they're rarer and a little bit more expensive compared to your traditional Vans kicks. Apart from that, we're also going to announce the giveaway for our Realme 3 smartphone this Sunday as well. So to join, all you guys have to do, very simple. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics of our giveaway for the Vans sneakers. Now, before we get started with the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based in Australia. They ship directly here in the Philippines. And the great news, guys, is usually I'm able to extend to you a 25% discount for their bracelets, necklaces, watches, and other accessories. The awesome news, because it is their birthday month and you are special to them, they're giving you 40% off just for this month of April, as well as free shipping. So all you guys have to do to be able to avail of that amazing promo is to check the link down below, which is pinned in the description box and in the comments section. Go! The last Yeezy release saw 3 Yeezy 350 Boost sneakers. First up, we have the Yeezy 350 Boost HyperSpace. This is the sneaker that you guys see here. And this one was actually an exclusive to Asia. And this is the pair that you see a lot here in the Philippines. Over at North America, the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. And the one that I have missing, I think it was released in Europe, was the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 True Form. Now, I did a review already on the HyperSpace, and I am in the process of acquiring the True Form, but today, it's all about the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. I love this sneaker for 3 reasons. First up, I love it because of its exclusivity and the fact that you don't see a lot of them here in the Philippines. Like what I mentioned earlier, guys, this is an exclusive to the US, to America, and to be able to cop this, you had to either go through a reseller or a local merchant or vendor, or you have to do an exchange thing with somebody from the US who actually bought a pair to be able to cop one and bring it home here in the Philippines. I see a lot of people wearing the HyperSpaces. That's the pair that you guys see here. I see a lot of people wearing the creams, the zebras, and the sesames, especially the sesames, but I rarely see Filipinos wearing the clays. And that, I think, is one of the biggest appeals of having the 350 Boost V2 Clay in your sneaker arsenal, especially if you're living here in the Philippines. So that's number 1, the exclusivity and the rarity here in Manila. Number 2, I just love the summer vibes of the color. Now, granted, not everybody will love the loud orange, pinkish color, clayish color of this sneaker, but man, it is perfect for the weather that we have right now, wherein it is ridiculously hot. But that actually makes it nice to wear loud, bright colors with your outfit. And that's the reason why I love the clay. I've actually been wearing it for quite a while now, well, for the past few days. And it's, wow, I mean, I just love how it pops. I just love the vibe that it gives, the fun vibes, the positive vibes that it just radiates when you are wearing it. I also love that loud pop of orange here at the heel tab. I mentioned that during my unboxing. It just gives it more oomph and a little more accent, as if it actually needs more of that, mainly because of that really loud color already. So that's number 2. I love the summer vibes of this sneaker. And number 3, just like with any other Yeezy 350 Boost V2, it is ridiculously comfortable. I think Kanye really knocked it out of the ballpark when he made the Yeezy 350 Boost V1 and V2 together with Adidas. I mean, the Boost comfort is just really good. The knit material that they use for the upper really conforms and molds to your feet and gives you that hotel slipper like feeling and vibe as you are walking in them all out, up and down wherever you are. That's the thing why I love the Yeezy 350 Boost silhouette. It's just ridiculously comfortable, and props really, kudos really to Kanye and Adidas for pulling this one out. So those are the 3 reasons why I love the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. Now allow me to share with you 2 reasons why I think people will dislike them, or I think why I wouldn't am not 100% in them. Number 1 is actually the strength can become a weakness. The fact that it is loud and bright makes it a great summer shoe, but for the entire year, that might not be the best like pair of kicks to put on. The problem with loud sneakers is that they make a distinct impression. So if you wear them once with your friends or with your coworkers or your colleagues, they will remember. So they will remember when you wear it again and again and again and again. So that's the problem. I mean, it just really leaves that mark. So it can take away the attention from everything else that you are wearing. So again, that's the delicate balance that you have to think about when you buy and wear loud sneakers like a 350 Boost V2 Clay. Secondly, it's the price. Since you can't get it for retail, or we weren't able to get it for retail, the only way you're able to cop this is, again, if you buy it from a local reseller. Local resellers are selling this anywhere from 20 to 25,000 pesos depending on the size and the availability, and there aren't actually a lot of kicks available here, so you will have to hunt a bit to be able to find the sneaker in your size, and you will have to shell out a bit of cash to be able to get it if you really want to bring it home. So do I recommend the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay? Everything considered, it boils down to what your intent is or what your plan is with the shoe. If you are looking for an accent piece, a sneaker that you don't wear often, a sneaker that you will pull out to really pop and make a statement, then this one is definitely the one that you should pick up and add to your arsenal, because it gives you all of that. It is loud, it is hype, it is crazy, and again, it is exclusive to the US, so it is a bit rarer here in the Philippines. However, if you want something that you can wear every day, if you want a sneaker, a Yeezy that you can rock regardless of the season, then of course you're better off with more neutral colors. The HyperSpace is here. The True Form is slightly a little bit, well, less subtle. I mean, subtler compared to the Clay, but definitely that one is easier to rock. Or you can go with the Sesames or the upcoming black Yeezy 350 Boost V2. The general rule of thumb is the more loud it is, the more of an accent piece it is, and the less that you should actually wear it. Well, at least that's my rule. Of course, you guys can change it. The rules are like, you know, very subjective. But if you want something that you can rock like year long, and you want to get like a lot of mileage out of your investment, that you might want to consider going for the more subtle pairs. Again, like the HyperSpace, True Form, Sesame, the Creams, or even the Zebras. That's actually it for our review of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. What do you guys think about this pair? Let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because we have a ton more of content coming your way every day. I upload every day. Usually it comes out at 7 o'clock in the evening. Sometimes it comes out earlier, but usually it's out by 7 p.m. Every now and then I'm late, but I really make it a point to upload the video for you guys every day on this channel. So again, my name is Carlo. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.